In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SLP future while examining the smooth love mixture cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like smooth love mixture. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the smooth love mixture value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that SLP is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will smooth love elixir value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 4.86% $0 0029 2023 0127 plus 1.32% $0 0028 2023 0128 plus 2.13% $0 0028 2023 0129 plus 2.91% $0 0028 2023 0130 plus 1.40% $0 0028 2023 01 31 plus 2.23% $0 0028 2023 02 01 plus 3.69% $0 0029 2023 02 02 1.69% $0 0027 2023 02 03 4.53% $0 0026 2023 02 04 1.70% $0 Love mixture value expectation 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 14.61% $0 0024 2023 Blemish 30.99% $0 0019 2023 APRA 23.39% $0 0021 2023 May 21.21% $0 0022 2023 June 8.12% $0 0025 2023 Jul 6.34% $0 0026 2023 AUG plus 8.55% $0 0030 2023 SEP plus 9.28% $0 0030 2023 OCT plus 22.36% $0 0034 $2023 NOV plus 24.65% $0.0034 $2023 DEC plus 38.01% $0.0038 $2024 JAN plus 42.50% $0 value forecast 2025 Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Elixir value forecast 2030 to 2040 What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 3 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Cherish Mixture supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Elixir won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Elixir can reach 10 cents yet just in the separated future, after 2030. Will Smooth Adore Mixture reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Elixir to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Could Smooth Cherish Elixir reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably dangerous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Smooth Love Mixture merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise speculation? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Adore Mixture be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or much higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture succeed and become more expensive? Smooth Love Elixir has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Mixture ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Mixture come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around plan promoting procedure. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Cherish Mixture go? Our determining model sees Smooth Love Elixir value detonating and coming to 3 cents in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Smooth Love Elixir? Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 41.8% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $0. Could Smooth Cherish Mixture make you a mogul? Indeed.